Hello and welcome to a unboxing video. Today we will be unboxing the Nike LeBron 16 Fresh Breds. Okay, these shoes are in size 11 and they dropped on September 20th of 2018. And so on the front of the box we see that there's this embossing of LeBron James about to dunk a basketball, very reminiscent of the Jordan brand Jumpman. Then we have L, J, and a crown for King James. On this side of the box we have LeBron 16. Right here we have a lion wearing a crown. On the bottom we have some very basic information, Nike logo, stuff like that. Nike swoosh. And finally, on this side of the box we have the sizing and the suggested retail price and also his initials. And the suggested retail price when it came out was $185. I actually bought these for $200 the day they came out. However, they were sold out, so I was lucky to get my hands on this pair. Now look at this. These are beautiful. That's a beautiful shoe. Alright. Let me just move this box out the way and take both of these sneakers out the box. We have both sneakers. Give you a top view and a side view of these sneakers. And so this shoe features the battleknit 2.0 stitching on the upper. Now if you notice, this battleknit stitching is a improvement on the scallop stitch which was on the LeBron 15s. And so if you look carefully at the shoe, right, it's very reflective, very luminous in the light. It's very bright. It gives off this kind of like shining tone. Okay, and so let me just bring it back down here to focus. All right, and so this knitting pattern, this battleknit 2.0, is an improvement on the scallop knit stitch pattern because it allows for greater lateral movement on the court. So it's very practical. It was designed by Jason Petrie of Nike. All right, back here we have the Nike swoosh, and we also have a lion with the crown on top of it. All right, the eyes poke out. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. It's very faint on camera because it is embossed. This cushioning system features kind of this melding of two systems from the Zoom Air and the Max Air, and so you'll see that the bubble here is three separate bubbles. And if you look, you'll notice that the outsole of the shoe is actually not connected, in one piece. It's actually three different outsoles all connected to the cushioning system for better mobility on the court. The stock keeping number, or SKU number, for this shoe is A02588-002, in case you guys want to look that up on StockX or Grailed or any of the other hype beast websites like GOAT. Alright. Hey guys, here's a look at a screenshot of what they're retailing for on StockX. These are the shoes. You're going to get one last look at them. Appreciate you guys watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I appreciate you. I'm out. Thank you.